Hello. We're out here at Vogel Farms. They have a country fair going on. They have all kinds of string beans and all kinds of string beans. Tangerines. Got a gift shop here. Beets. Jams. Cheeses.
As soon as you get back from your four-wheeler ride, you'll have a hot dog.
So these are some of the baskets that Vogel Farms is doing. They're all island products.
Like it? This is the Vogel Farms.
I signed up to do this about 2 weeks before I went out of town.
Oh.
These specific ones are for here,
Okay.
but you can call me. And
Awesome,
when
I will.
And like I said, the yarn store has ordered some little ones in for me.
Okay.
So if you want to give me a call, I can just
Perfect.
We'll go inside. You'll get lost.
What's this, a hot dog stand?
Go to my house.
Yeah. A lot of stuff. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Different jams here. Darcy's.
911, get here now.
This is our old-fashioned German-style mustard.
All right.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Take money or we got cards.
Check it out, dude.
Wow.
And I didn't know what that was.
Is
In the
it?
front yard, there's checkout. I wasn't sure what that was.
I don't know. Horseradish in it.
There's several different
That's empty.
vendors all here.
That's empty.
Oh, I haven't filled it yet.
Oh.
It's low calorie.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is low calorie.
I'm taking
only
one. How
one.
much is it?
I think I can have another one.
Sure.
That was
Yeah.
delicious.
It's $4.25 with tax.
That's with, what's his name? Horseradish, right?
Yeah.
There is no horseradish in it. It's
Oh.
just mustard seed, water, vinegar, and salt.
Oh, really? I was in Germany.
Mustard seed was that spicy.
Yeah, it can be. We put 3 different kinds of mustard seed in it.
I was in Germany one time, and I went to a guest house, and they had these bratwurst, so I ate at bratwurst, and I had a great big salad on the side and something else, so I took a bite of the bratwurst, the bun, and then the salad was pure horseradish.
The German.
Fantastic on bratwurst.
Yeah.
So, all right.
What's really hard to find is buns.
Well,
Can't find a good bun for it.
where's that music they had?
We're having a bad label time. We're having a bad label year. We are. How much are these? These are $7.
Oh, sure, what kind you got here?
It's all from goat's milk, Nubian goat milk. And we have plain, we have garden herb, chive and garlic, Italian, which is sun-dried tomatoes and a lot of garlic, popping chili if people like peppers, and then feta.
All right. And where are you from?
Originally, I'm one of the last crazy Brits.
Oh,
Been here
okay.
a long time.
Oh, really? You know what I like?
What?
Is that keeping up appearances.
Oh yeah, it's fun.
This is Mrs. Bucket.